Howdy y'all, Redline Industry, coming at you with a new cold start video today. We're doing my 2001 Dodge 3500 Cummins box truck edition. It's only got 58,000 miles, original miles, brand new transmission. I bought it state bid, so, and where it was never used much. It was probably only used once or twice a month. That's about it. Yep, pretty clean truck. Nice 10-foot box on it. We're gonna do a cold start on this thing this morning. It's probably every bit of 20 degrees out. Typical Dodge, no dashboard. Who needs a dashboard? You got your tools in here because you know you gotta write down when you own a Cummins. Well, actually, you own a Cummins because it's quality. You own a Dodge because it's a piece of shit. I only bought this because it was such a steal, such a fucking deal I couldn't pass up. Yep, alright. Show you the miles.
Time coffee.
Original 58,000 miles. What other second gen Cummins are you going to find out there with original 58,000 miles? If you know somebody with original miles, you send me a link to them and we'll find out. Alright, do a little walk around here. It's a 10-foot cab and chassis truck. It's a nice truck. Gets what I need to get done. Got the lift gate on there, you know. A little bit of Trump on there, you know. Big pimpin'. Around this side. Yep, clean all the way around, from top to the bottom. She's a little muddy, but gotta sand it every once in a while. Yep, Got glow plugs. Since it is a 2001, it's got 24 valve. It's completely stock. Nothing's changed on it. Okay. Let's do a cold start here. See if she'll fire every way, but either way it'll start. Yep, fire just like that. Like butter. Not even any smoke. See, look at that. So if you'd like to see more cold start videos on all my old pieces of shit, tell me down in the description. Yeah, like, share, subscribe. We're just trying to see how this YouTube thing goes. Haven't done it in a while, and I want to try it out. If everybody else can get 1 million subscribers, well, fuck, why can't I? Redline Industry, out. Have a good day.